Veteran lyricist and cultural activist Joyce Rongpi no more. KLA pay condolences. KSA Kajiranga unit dismayed over exclusion of Malasi High School in provincialization list. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansepi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. Renowned lyricist and cultural activist from Dongmukak Teki Rongpi village, Joyce Rongpi had passed away after he was drowned in the Korkanthi River on Thursday afternoon. His untimely death had shocked Karbi Anglong. Karbi Lameramai Dongmukak branch and the Dongmukak Municipal Board had yesterday organized a condolence program at Dongmukak Market. Although many of the younger generations may not know him yet, they have grown up listening and singing the songs of one of the most versatile lyricists, Joyce Rongpi of Dongmukak. He was among the main pillars behind bringing the trend of modern songs in Karbi. He had been associated with the Karbi Cultural Society as well as the Karbi Lameramai and had served at various posts playing crucial roles. Born on 1956, Joyce Rongpi passed away on Thursday after he drowned in the Korkanthi River, the river where he learned swimming in his younger days. With his demise, Karbi have lost great sources of information and a true patriot. To pay tribute and pray for the departed soul of the deceased cultural activist, the Dongmukak Karbi Lameramai branch and the Dongmukak Municipal Board jointly organized a condolence program at Dongmukak Market near Longkam Teran statue. During the program, Karbi Lameramai Dongmukak branch president Robindra Rongpi hoisted a flag half-mast as a mark to show the pain and grief over the loss of precious life. This short program was attended by Karbi Lameramai CEC Vice President Kamsung Hanse, Sarso Tiso, Khorsing Inti, JLF advisor Surja Rongphar, Secretary On Teron, along with several ward commissioners of Dongmukak Municipal Board and many of well-wishers.
Alangli nomnam pacet hang netu alangli iklan kita mamu litum kai kita tenini alangli par ne litum siketik karbialam litik alangli tenini alangli par kai kita cikimu lagi alangli ini litum nokan akam da ni dupik lo wai pik lo alangli iklan kita mamu kapacun kami
datang itu tahu malah no Joyce Rongpi yang akan orang kecil Rongpi dong alang li nut jutang ahin ta keceng orang kiribling non sudah lang langsung kilong membah tu bom lang kapan lamet along kalang li sedang anak kecil tu masih lang aman tapi tidak tahu saja mengarah masalah mana masih ini tunda Dongmukak kan bila benamai dong tangaro bentalah ini kita alasan anong pensi lang aman lang pensi dong alamat tadi alamat alamat dengan pasal.
Though he is gone, but his melodious compositions including Lapuan Kilangme from the film Kanghon Kiling Chongkret will stay with the Karbis as the token he had left behind. Samsung Inti from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. Villagers of 7 villages located near Diung River on Friday staged a sit-in protest on river shore near New Haflong railway station against the extraction of stones from river. The protesters are villagers who have been severely affected by the river mining. The sit-in protest began from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. during which the villagers expressed their opposition and official objection towards the mining activities in their area. Further, protesters informed that apart from aquatic life, it also affected the local people whose livelihood depends on daily wages from breaking stones used for construction in localities and have also greatly affected local fishermen who catch small fishes and sell in market. According to the protesters, stone mining in Diung River started since activation of BG Road in the district in 2015. Sources also said that the stones are being transported to Manipur and other states for construction of railroad, etc. A memorandum on the matter was also submitted to the Principal Secretary to the North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council, citing their demands for immediate stoppage of the mining and action against the person involved. Meanwhile, North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council CM Debolal Gordosa, in his public speech on this Independence Day, said that after North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council becomes self-sustainable by implementing several developments and revenue-raising projects, he will not allow an inch of stones to be exported outside the district. However, will allow only for construction within the district.
हम लोगों ने धरना करा क्योंकि ये पाथर स्टोन माइनिंग का परमिट या जो भी हम लोगों ने ये कैंसिल करा नहीं सकने से ये उम्मीद लेके धरना करा है, क्योंकि अभी हम लोग को बहुत इफेक्ट हो रहा है। सिर्फ हम लोग को इफेक्ट नहीं रहा है, इनफेक्ट टाउन एरियाज में भी इफेक्ट हो रहा है, क्योंकि ये तो एक सोर्स है, वाटर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर का एक सोर्स है। तो ये तो विंटर में तो ख़रीदना पड़ता है, अब टाउन का अंदर में तो अभी नियर बाई एरियाज हम लोग का तो लैंडस्लाइड हो रहा है। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट, अगर ये लोग स्टोन माइनिंग करेगा तो हम लोग का ये गाँव तो हम लोग तो मोस्टली डिपेंडिंग ऑन डेली वेजेस। सो हम लोग उसमें से खेती मार लेता है, वो क्या कर लेता है, तो उसमें से हम लोग ये सब भी नहीं हो पा रहा है। अभी तो पूरा LNT घुस के पाथर भी ख़त्म हो रहा है एंड एज वेल एज एक्वेटिक सर्वाइव नहीं हो रहा है। तो ये सब को लेके हम लोग 7 गांव मिलके ये इनिशिएटिव लिया है। 7 गांव के साथ में ये मेमोरेंडम बनाया है कि ये अभी दिजुंग में स्टोन एक्सट्रैक्शन बंद कराने के लिए ये प्रोटेस्ट किया है।
It may be mentioned that Diung is the main river in the district and contributes to over 50% of the water supplied to district headquarters Haflong. In addition to this, the river flows through maximum parts of the district, thus it is considered as the lifeline of the district. But due to the mining with heavy machineries, the water level had receded and is getting contaminated. Suresh Burman from Haflong for Karbengmong Live. The Kaziranga District Committee of the Kirby Students Association had expressed their displeasure and shock over the non-inclusion of Malasi High School in the first phase of the provincialization of schools recently announced Education Department of Assam. They have alleged that the government has shown disregard and indifference to the school. Education is the most important thing in this age, and in the absence of good school in the rural areas, the goal of educating every person cannot be achieved. As a step to boost education in the rural Dolamara area, Malasi High School was established by local body in the year 1985. However, residents of the area are extremely disappointed that even after more than 3 decades of functioning as one of the major schools in the region, the government had not been kind enough to provincialize the school. According to founder secretary of the school Peter Crow, of the 3 schools from Duarbogori constituency, the government had announced to provincialize Daithor Higher Secondary School in the first phase and Upper Daihori High School in the second phase. But to their disappointment, Malasi High School had not been included in the list. The Kirby students' body said that they were extremely dismayed that the school had not been included owing to the comparatively lesser pass percentage of the school. The KSA said that although the result was not good, but pass percentage have not been 0, and even in the latest HSLC examination, 45 students cleared. The students' body blamed the government, pointing out that good results will only come when the school is provincialized. Basic facilities are provided and teachers are appointed with proper salary.
So Malasi school bange founder secretary in Yellow, Halaso, 1985 Mate, Harukris Kebra, Troner Kebra, Pon country, Nilituno School, established Corillo, Halabang Sort, Nilitumo, we enter that school do not have a high school of a job, Nilitum Bukakhatsi school, Chariduna. That's why you're nation of his generation, next generation upon Kamathadam Nilitum, Dadhora area pen, Garlitang, Horsing, Terang, Mujadar, pen, singing tea. Dapen Dolamara Malaysia Lopen, Kongrong pen, Karlitang Bronson Taro, Dapen ke Langkang Rampen, Bapusing Tok B, Dapen Nili to Pusing Wise, Nili to Maso High School established Kurilo.
Non la Pakimi dik helang pinangan Karbiang Long provincialized kikuri school high school kan chenglok provincialized kuri lo sitamen ni tum dorba group and dalomra Malasi High School ong pipot tong provincialized kuri ridane ni tum la support si Karjupon kangtung MEC Richard Topi la pen ke Karbiang Long CEMEF tum handa Karjupon kangtung ke la henok ko pipot lo la ni tum handang la Malasi High School bang ni tum handa kanung kon guglo
la pen da percentage mimirat kaning je bang ta chokche je isilam bang ke ta ke provincialized school lo kulurong te percentage tanang mepo langsung sini tum thai damlo je nona bang ke master abe kulurang te kosom si student dum ke thai ko ako master dum 290 pute kosom bello je master dum gormalong le pulote kosom si master dum dakido po la sokosi ni tum bang ke ningkang samse chipaklang lo KSA pen ni tum Karbi student association pen ningkang samse chipaklang lo.
Students from Tarapung, Borpung and the adjacent Plain district also come to study in Malasi High School as they could not afford to go to the expensive private schools. As such, people have said that the delay in the provincialization of this school would mean longer period of deprivation of the local students. RG Sarongpar from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. With the aim of strengthening the party, the All Party Hills Leadership Conference on Saturday organized a leadership training in Paklongkam under the Mahamaya constituency. The leadership training was conducted at the Society Hall at 10 a.m. The program was chaired by APHLC Paklongkam Unit President Chandra Singh Rongpar and was attended as resource person, Central Committee General Secretary by Sarkiri Rongpar, Haurughat LAC Unit General Secretary Robi Singh Ronghang, Mahamaya CC President Mongal Singh Teron, Mahamaya Youth President Longsodar Ingling, and General Secretary James Rongpi. During the training program, the resource persons highlighted several subjects and issues and held in-depth discussion for the benefits and knowledge of its party members. The APHLC leaders expressed their confidence that they would emerge winners from Haurughat LA and Mahamaya constituency in the upcoming 2021 State Assembly election.
Usina padu jamlo, oh la sensom singti na palong pikang penta, nonte akan dabu. Mane ini cuma sensom singti ke dia sedake, kene long dina palong pikang. Ma aku amana pengki pipin. Kasih so amana pengki pipin di potan pe, non dia ikat hal kene dia pom ke mata pom makamu oleh tu ke kamsi orang.
Ini tum Paklongkam area APHLC Rohin kan ini tum dak Cingrum si pini dak Central Committee la pengke dak Constituency Committee Ajabang tum Cingrum si pini ini tum dak APHLC leadership training pedopon lo abang sohud ni tum kecetan jimum pon halo no ni prangki bang jelang APHLC asong hin pen ko PPC kedeng ponima la pengke no ni prangki bang GML election hut PPC size tum kedeng ponji mal hai prak si tum cetan jimum pon lo.
Samsung Inti from Dongmuka for Karbi Anglong Live. Those were the top stories for this morning. Stay safe and thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.